Hello class! Today we're going to be learning how to write the equation of a parallel line through a given point. Since we already know that the slopes of two parallel lines are equivalent, we can take this value, which is m, and plug it in to our new equation. Our new equation takes the x and y values of the coordinate point as h and k, and we get this equation as y minus k is equal to m times the quantity x minus h. Now we can take the values for k, m, and h and plug it in to find our slope-intercept equation. When we do this, we get y minus the quantity -2 equals 5 times the quantity x minus the quantity 4. Then we get y plus 2 is equal to 5x minus 20. When we subtract 2 to both sides, we get our final answer of y is equal to 5x minus 22. When graphed, this equation looks like that, where every point on this line is the exact same distance as the point on this line. Thank you.
Next, we will find how to make a perpendicular line through a given point. So we start with the equation y equals 4x plus 1, and we would use the form y minus k equals quantity -1 over m quantity x minus h. In this case, -1 over m would be the negative reciprocal, which would give us the slope of the perpendicular line. If we're trying to find the perpendicular line through point 2, 2, you would plug in k and h, and then the slope for m. So we would get y minus 2 equals -1 over 4 times x minus 2. If we simplify this, we would get y minus 2 equals -1/4 x plus 1/2. If we add 2 on both sides, we would get y equals -1/4 x plus 2.5. And that is your equation. If we graph this equation on the coordinate grid, it would look like this. And this line is perpendicular to the first line.